guys, Jack Bennett here from iCanPlayDrums.com. Today we're checking out a little exercise from Groove and Fill Expansion System, which is a package that we produced which has a slightly different approach to teaching you different grooves and fills around the kit. And what we're going to do today is very much what's taught in that system, and that is instead of just learning a beat, mastering that beat and then moving on to a brand new one, what we're going to do is try and get more mileage out of the same pattern. So in the first exercise today, for instance, I'm going to teach you how to play this basic beat. And then we're going to look at moving that pattern around the kit, so re-orchestrating that same pattern rather than learning a new one. Because for most people, if they've invested the time into learning a certain sticking sequence or pattern, it's much easier to get more variations on that same pattern than to learn a brand new pattern from scratch. All right, and it's a smart thing to do because when you move them around the kit, they all have a different flavor. It's sort of, you know, when you re-orchestrate things, they start to come alive in different ways. So if I was, for instance, to move the left hand around the toms, you'd get something like this. Okay, that's the exact same thing that I'm playing here, okay, as far as the sticking, but it sounds entirely different because we are re-orchestrating where we put the different lefts and rights around the kit. All right, so the pattern that we're going to learn in today's lesson, which I was just playing then, is two lots of right, left, left, right, left, left. Now, that might sound to you like triplets, but it's not. It's a 16th note pattern, okay? And the pattern cycles over or resolves after 2 full beats, all right? So first of all, we need to know and count 16th notes, otherwise known as semiquavers, and it's just 1 E and 2 E and 1. Now, across those 2 beats, so we have 8 notes total. So the 1 E and 2 E and is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 16th notes. And across those 8 16th notes, we're going to play the following pattern. Twice in a row, we're going to go right, left, left. Okay, so we go right, left, left, right, left, left. And then at the end, we just do a right, left. Okay, with all of the right hands, I'm going to play the shoulder of the stick on the edge of the hi-hat so that it's a thicker sound because it's an accent, and I'm also going to play the bass drum at the same time. The left hands are all going to be down low, so playing as ghost notes, so probably about 2 to 3 centimeters from the drum, except for that last note. All right, so we have 1 E and 2 E and all right, so the 4th 16th or 4th semiquaver of beat 2 or beat 4, because remember beats 3 and 4 are exactly the same as beats 1 and 2 because it is a 2-beat pattern. That's going to come up and be an accent. Now you could rim shot it like I did, you could play it an accent, you can do whatever you like. That's entirely up to you. All right, so the whole pattern sounds like this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, or if I count it as semiquavers or 16ths, we have 1 E and 2 E and all right. Now from there, you'll probably want to experiment with the right hand, what that groove sounds like when you put the right hand on different sound sources. All right, so I'm just going to move from left to right on my kit, and I'll start with this little kind of mini stacker that I've got here. Sounds like this. Cowbell. Maybe the bell of the ride. All right, so it's of course entirely up to you as far as what you want to do. You could do it on the rim, the bow of the ride cymbal, etc. Okay, so that is an exercise from Groove and Fill Expansion System. In the next 2 videos this week, we are going to check out ways of moving the left hand around the kit to get some variations on that. All right, hope you've enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next video.